Good morning to hot traders. Buy now, pay later program. You got a chance to have no credit, no account. You can get involved. I'm updating the VXN. We had a major rally off of the 100-day. We went up 5 days and markets sold down. Friday, we pull back. That is going to be the support level for August. Fear. Okay, when the fear goes up, stocks sell off. When the fear comes down, stocks go up. That's how you use the VXN related to the QQQ and the Nasdaq 100, and we're pulling back to support. Okay, when the fear goes higher, markets sell off. When the fear goes lower, the bull goes higher. We're updating this on a Saturday to let you know, to give you something to think about for the month of October when watching the fear indicator, to watch the bull.